Good morning, Ralston. I hope you're all well. Today's assembly is all about reasoning. Teachers, pause here to discuss what reasoning is. Talk to your partner. When have you used reasoning and what do you think it means? Teachers, pause here. Reasoning is the action of thinking about something in a logical, sensible way. Let's have a go. Which picture is the odd one out? Make sure you have a sensible reason to explain your answer. Think about using your sentence stems from oracy. Teachers, pause here. Did you get it right? I hope you remember to use your sentence starters. Teachers, please award dojos for any excellent explanations. Also, if you'd like to share them on Twitter or message me and let me know what was said, I would like to hear them. Picture 1 is the odd one out. I know this because pictures 2, 3, and 4 are all fruit. You can eat fruit. On the other hand, picture 1 is a phone. It is not a fruit and you cannot eat it. Therefore, it's the odd one out. Ralston, I need your help. One of the teachers at Ralston has stolen my box of chocolates. I need your reasoning skills to help me deduce who it was. Let's look at the facts. The last time I saw my chocolates were on Monday at lunchtime. This means the chocolates must have been taken Monday afternoon. Let's look at the suspects. And remember, to be successful in catching our criminal, we need to think logically. Let's meet the suspects. Suspect number 1, Mr. Durkin. Mr. Durkin was seen in Miss Virdee's classroom by Miss Patel at 3 p.m. on Monday. When asked, Miss Patel mentioned that he was acting shifty. Suspect number 2, Miss Patel. Miss Patel has a favourite chocolate, the exact same kind that was stolen from Miss Virdee's room. Miss Taylor had overheard Miss Patel bragging that she was going to have a tasty treat later. Suspect number 3, Mr. Toole. Mr. Toole was seen sneaking around the Year 4 corridor looking very pleased with himself. On Monday, Mr. Durkin and Mr. Toole were spotted whispering in the corridors by Mr. Toon. So who did it? Was it Mr. Durkin? Was it Miss Patel? Or was it Mr. Toole? Let's use our reasoning language. It could be, I know this because. It couldn't be, I know this because. Teachers, pause here to discuss. Did we successfully use our reasoning skills today? Did you all remember to use your sentence stems? What were the findings? Did you think that everyone would agree with you? Were the findings all the same? Or were they all different? Why do you think this might be? I look forward to seeing and hearing about your reasoning skills throughout the day. Also, I look forward to seeing your reasoning, particularly in maths. Thank you all for listening. I hope you all have a great day.